Hi, this video is about setting Minecraft Forge for developing mods. If you just need to run mods, just go ahead and download the installer. Otherwise, if you want to develop your own Minecraft mods, continue watching this video. So all the links are going to be in the description for all these downloads. The first thing you're going to want to download is the Java Development Kit. Go ahead and click on the download link, click accept, and then choose whatever version you need. I need Windows 64-bit, so I'm going to download this version. The next thing you're going to need is Eclipse. This is an IDE. This is software that helps you write code. It checks for errors and whatnot. So on this drop-down box, pick whatever operating system that you need. I have Windows, so I'm going to pick Windows. And then I have 64-bit. And you want to choose Eclipse IDE for Java developers with this icon right here. It's usually in the second one down. And I'm going to click 64-bit to download that. And go ahead and click download. The last thing you're going to need to download is Minecraft Forge. So this should be the same process for all the versions. I know at least up to 1.7 it's the same. If you're going for something that's older, I'm not 100% sure, but it should be the same process. But I know for a fact it's the same process for 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, and 1.10. I'm going to go ahead and download 1.10.2. I suggest downloading the recommended. You could download the latest, but there might be some errors or bugs in that one, so just go ahead and download the recommended version. And you're going to want to download the MDK file. It's going to have a 6-second ad. Go ahead and rate the 6 seconds and then click skip. And it should start downloading. Alright, once you finish downloading all the applications, you're going to want to install the Java Development Kit first. The installation process is pretty straightforward. Just hit accept and next and whatnot. Just leave everything's default. You can check to see if you installed it properly is if you go to Start, File Explorer, right click on this PC, go to Properties, Advanced System Settings, Environment Variables, Path, and then click Edit. If you go to the very beginning, you should see a path for the Java Development Kit in here. If you don't have it in there, go ahead and reinstall it until it does show up in there. Worst case scenario, you may have to add it manually, and I'll paste what you have to add in the description if you need to do that. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is create a folder. You can name this folder whatever. I'm going to name it Programming. And drag the Forge zip file into the new folder that you just made, and go ahead and extract it here. And you can delete the zip file. If I can do it, there we go. So the next thing you want to do is Control Shift right click in this file that we just made with all the things that we extracted, and open command window here. Alright, so you're going to want to paste this right here in first and hit enter. And it should configure and download a bunch of files. This can take anywhere from a few seconds to half an hour depending on the speed of your internet and your computer. Alright, once that is finished, it should look something like this. You shouldn't have any errors. If you do, run it again. The next thing you want to paste in is this, and go ahead and run it. Alright, now that it's finished, it should look something like this again. And that's all you need to do here. Alright, so now go to the Eclipse zip file. Go ahead and extract it here, or wherever you want, it doesn't matter. Alright, once that's finished, you can delete the zip file and open up the new folder that you extracted. And go ahead and open up Eclipse. It should say Application and Eclipse, and have a little icon like that. And when you double click it, it should come up with a splash screen like this. Alright, for the workspace, just leave it as default and click OK. You may open up to a window that looks something like this. just click on the workbench icon up here. You can always check this checkbox down here so this doesn't pop up anymore, which I'll do that right now. And you should have something that looks like this. In the Package Explorer, which is on the left side of the screen, right click and go to Import. Then you may have to open up the General tab and then click on Existing Projects into Workspace and click Next. And then for the root directory, go to Browse, and then wherever you created that file that you extracted all the Minecraft Forge stuff to is where you want to go. For me, it was in Downloads and the file called Programming I created, and click OK. And you should see Projects, and then it should come up here and with the checkbox and click Finish. Now when you open it, you should have all the files and stuff that you need to begin modding Minecraft. To create a new mod, go to the source /main/java, right click, go to New Package. This package is going to contain all the files for your mod, so the name of your mod would be a name for this package. I'm just going to say video, because that's all I can think of right now. And click Finish. Right click, go to New, Class. I'm just going to name this class Video. And then right before the public class video line, you want to type in, so go ahead and type in the @ sign, then with an uppercase M, and then OD for mod. Then hover your mouse over it and click Import. And hover your mouse over it again and click Add Missing Attributes. And then this right here is the name of your mod, or the mod ID, so I'm just going to call it Video. And save. So go ahead and click on the project folder. It should be the very first one right here at the top. And then go ahead and click Run Configurations, and then click Client, and click Run. Alright, once it's loaded, if you click on the Mods tab or button and scroll down, you should see your mod. And that's the setup for making your own mod. Alright, thanks for watching.